Here's the time for it, the Bronco test drive. I'm not actually going to be driving the thing, but I will be sitting in the passenger seat. I'm going to show you everything that's going to go on with this test drive, all right?
How's it going, you guys?
How you doing?
Huh?
I do look like your muscle, don't I?
Welcome to the Bronco, you guys. My name is Bree. I'm going to be driving you today.
Hello, Bria.
Hello. Have you guys ever been off-roading before?
Lightly.
Lightly? Okay, cool. Well, we're going to do something new, and we're going to do some off-roading indoors today. You know how most cars usually have drive modes? We've got this thing called GOAT mode here at Ford. Now, GOAT stands for goes over any terrain, or greatest of all time, as you probably know. And this is really cool because we're in rock crawl mode, so it just pulled up this fancy front view camera that's basically a tire prediction camera. So it's going to tell us exactly where it thinks our tires are going to go. But I'm actually going to change our view here. This is our side view mirror camera, as you can see. So now we can see exactly where we're placing our two front wheels, which is going to help us get up and over these couple of rocks here. You'll notice all these rocks are going to feel a little different from each other because they are all different shapes and sizes. And right now we're teetering on three wheels, so we're going to do a little bit of a magic trick here. And that is our sway bar that we just disconnected. So when we disconnect our sway bar, it gives us independent suspension on all four wheels, which is going to help us get up and over these last couple of rocks a lot easier. Perfect. So now we're going to go into slippery mode, since that's what you guys would use most likely here in Chicago. Slippery mode is great for snow, rain, and ice, and it's perfect for me right now because I'm driving on really slippery concrete. So we will work our way around here. And what's really cool is if you do decide to get a Bronco, Ford's got this awesome program. It's called Bronco Off Rodeo. Now, Bronco Off Rodeo is located in 5 different locations that are all hanging up above our station over here on the left-hand side. As you can see on the flags over there, all you have to do is fly yourself to whatever location you want. Ford takes care of everything else for you. They put you up into a hotel, they let you drive their Bronco off-road on their course, and they teach you how to use every single button, dial, switch, and whistle in this car, so you go home a lot more confident. Now hold on to your stuff because we're going to go over about a 20-degree incline on our side here. And what's even crazier is the Bronco can actually handle up to 40 degrees of an incline on its side without rolling over. So now, this is everybody's favorite part about this ride except for mine. This is basically an Indiana Jones style seesaw ramp. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull all the way up to the edge of the ramp, come to a complete stop as soon as that ramp disappears on camera, and then we'll be able to work our way up and over. If I miss this by an inch, this is not going to budge. Little dramatic landing here. There we go. And now, this is Bronco Mountain. Bronco Mountain is everybody's favorite or least favorite part of this ride. It is a 40-degree incline and a 40-degree decline. Now what's crazy is the Bronco can actually handle up to 60 degrees uphill and 60 degrees downhill. So if you guys want to see something other than the ceiling, feel free to look at this camera on the screen here. Perfect. And now we'll work our way down Bronco Mountain. And I'll show you guys something really cool on the way down. Is that we could come to a complete stop here if we wanted to, but we'll work our way down.